You Aryans, una don carry in a wahala enter UK. Now they say UK police don't arrest 2 white garment member. You know this Biana Sele, make I don't go call the wrong church. But I know these white people, if they dance, so they shake nash, they move. They don't catch 2 of them. And what they talk say these women do? They say they don't chop church money. Church money, and I know they won't fear God again. And I go just carry church money, they spend them, they live life anyhow. Anyway, make I watch this video.
Àṣọ́ọ̀tì ẹ̀yẹ ọlọ́pàá ló wá gbé ẹ lọ́lé aṣièrè ìwọ tó ń jẹ́ nǹkankan yìí.
And I don't see as people they shout, they call these women, ole, say they don't chop church money. Make na they even fear God. If na one spend, make na they chop and small. But e get situations where be say people they always talk say, if person don't they hold church money, they go talk say person they chop that church money. Even when the person know they do that kind of thing. People just believe say if they look fresh where they work for church, na church money they chop. But this one now, people they really accuse these 2 women. Maybe say na police even can't carry them come up from that church place. See that Yoruba woman I know say Yoruba people there's a big cost person. Say you don't tell her say if she enter that prison, the kind things where they go use her eye see that woman white go turn to black. That means if that woman come outside from that prison, you Aryans people na carry this na wahala go UK. This now what people know they even fear. Old woman like this woman a grown up woman and a person mama be this. You don't see any legit thing do. If truly you chop this money, you don't see anything do. Now to come go UK say na person money you won't go chop. Make I even ask. See as we dey here like some people, in fact they dey very corporate. They go school. But to get ordinary visa, they no go even see this visa collect. See that in this Yoruba village women, where they foresee them, how they even enter this UK. Where on pass now can you not use? Because you go see somebody go they struggle to enter just ordinary the abroad. The person no go even see road to reach there. Now then this see as there plenty for there. I beg me na come show me the way because me self, if like I go like reach this UK, make me self I dey there small because if like say na they even enjoy. This one when I dey chop church money, behind me self I go see some small thing put inside pocket. Make me self I fresh like honor. Anyway, this kind matter I no know as I want to judge am. Behind this woman go pay the money back for church I go take because we not even certain self because the woman self know they talk. As they shout her name, they curse her say, for me, what shake it? They don't talk anything, no. They just leave the woman just even quiet. So maybe truly she not chop the money. People just they misjudge her. But as the matter be like this, now here I go leave and for now. Make sure don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. I go see you now for our next story.